So I'm excited to be able to review for you this night light alarm clock. It's going to have 7 different light modes on it. See, you can actually see on the front like all of the different light shades that it'll come into. And it actually is also a Bluetooth speaker alarm clock. It is super multifunctional, and I'm excited to be able to review it for you. And it's supposed to, whenever the lights are on it, be able to like stroke the music. So I'm excited to be able to share all of those features with you. So I'm gonna get it out of the box so you know what to expect whenever it arrives for you in the mail. It is so far packaged pretty well. There's batteries that fell out of the pack there. But, so we've got this. That's cute. Very simple. What else do we have in here? Have a remote. And then cables if we want them here. So, all right. So I am actually going to, so this is a really cute little remote. You can, oh here, I'll face it so you can actually see the front of it. Well, I'll show you the back of it first. So you know what to expect, and I'll turn it on for you so you know how it works and everything as well. This remote looks like it's going to be pretty simple, where it has all the different colors, and then where you can get it to strobe and everything as well. And I'll give you a little bit of a closer look at that in a second, but I'm going to set all of this up and give you a good idea. I'm going to turn the lights out first though, so you can get a good idea of what it's actually going to look like. But this will actually take like incoming phone calls and stuff too. So I'm going to hook my Bluetooth up to it. And like I said, turn the lights off so you can get a full picture of what it's going to actually look like.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
A nice road to feel. I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal?
I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath